Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. Children, as you all are aware that in our last class, we have done about uh, periodic motion and circular motion. Today we will be starting with our rotational motion. So in our last class we have done two activity we have done. One which is related to circular motion. Sometime it is asked such kind of a question that name or write an activity which is showing or which is representing or which is able to understand, which will make you understand the type of motion or type of a particular like circular motion. So in that you can mention that activity. One more activity which we have done, that is periodic motion. Now periodic motion, then oscillatory motion, then we have this vibratory motion. All these words we can use simultaneously. So what is the difference between these type of motion? All these type of motion are of same, like rotational motion or like periodic motion, vibratory motion, oscillatory motion, oscillation. So oscillation means oscillating from starting position and then coming to that position only after a fixed interval of time. Again, oscillation is used for periodic motion only. Oscillates, pendulum oscillates. Oscillation of pendulum we will be counting, like how many oscillation is going to complete by a pendulum in 1 minute. So that is oscillation only, means in oscillation also that pendulum is repeating its movement after an equal interval of time. So periodic, vibratory or oscillatory. We'll use it vice versa, vibration. So you can take a sitar or guitar where you are going to strike a string and the string is repeating its motion or movement after a regular interval of time. Then today we will start with rotational motion. Now rotational motion, that we have done circular motion in which like fan, the blades of fan is moving. It is going in a circular path. But rotational motion means rotating on its axis. So when an object turns or spins about a fixed axis, when an object turns or spins about a fixed axis, it is called rotational motion. For example, a spinning top lattu moves round and round on its axis. So the motion of a spinning top is an example of rotational motion. Now our earth also turns round and round on its axis like a spinning top. So what kind of a motion we have of our earth? Now rotational motion. The topic for today is rotational motion. Now rotational motion. Now rotating on its axis. Now here we have taken an example of a lattu or your top, a spinning top. That spinning top is rotating or moving on its fixed axis. It is not changing its axis. What is the difference now? What is the difference between circular motion and this rotational motion? In rotational motion, this lattu is revolving around. This lattu is revolving around its axis. This lattu is revolving around its axis. This axis. Fine, on this axis only. But in circular motion, that particular thing is moving in a circular orbit. So earth is showing both of these movements. The earth is moving in a circular orbit and revolving on its or rotating on its own axis and moving in a circular path. Rotation and revolution both will be there in case of Earth rotating on its axis and revolving around the Sun. So, in case of Earth, Earth is showing both kind of a motion. Now, when an object turns or spins about a fixed axis, it is called rotational motion. For example, a spinning top lattu moves round and round on its axis. So the motion of a spinning top is an example of rotational motion. Now our earth also turns round and round on its axis like a spinning top. So the spinning of earth on its axis is an example of rotational motion. Some other example of rotational motion like turning of blades, that blades are not going separately, they were turning around its axis only. It is not going far away from that motor. So rotation of windmill also, turning of a potter's wheel also, turning of a bicycle wheel, turning of a ball also, turning of the hands of a watch also, and turning of merry-go-round. Merry-go-round also, you will find it out that merry-go-round is fixed on one place and then revolving around it. So turning of merry-go-round. Now the difference between circular and rotational motion, which I just now have told you, that is rotational motion is, it happens on its fixed axis. This thing is not moving from its axis, but circular motion which is going round and round and which is going in circular path. So that kind of a motion will be there, circular motion. So circular motion and rotational motion is that circular motion of an object is like as a whole travels along a circular path. But in rotational motion, the object spins on its axis. So object does not rotate around that, around the path, but it spins. So many of times, like here I have taken an example of earth. Earth is showing two kind of a motion, that is moving in a circular path, showing circular motion also, and rotating on its axis. So the earth is showing rotational motion also. So the earth is showing more than two types of motion, as well as periodic also, since the earth is repeating its motion after an equal interval of time. So what we find it out that there are certain things in which, or certain things which is showing more than two types of motion. So again, that is very important, more than two types of motion, if anything which is showing more than two types of motion. Or what is the difference between rotational and circular motion, that is again very important. Then object having more than one type of a motion, in that we are going to consider our earth. Earth is showing rotational motion also, circular motion also, repeating its movement after an equal interval of time, so periodic motion also. So as well as in the case of a ball also. So ball is also showing rotational motion as well as moving in a straight path, that is rectilinear motion. So rectilinear motion, so rotational as well as rectilinear motion in case of a ball, as well as in case of a bicycle also. Bicycle is rotating on its axis as well as moving in a straight path, that is rectilinear motion also. So let's see some of the object in which you will be getting more than two types of motion, like rotational or revolution, that we are going to see in that case. Then starting with the case of earth. Now here I am not going to mention only one type of motion. We will be going to see a case in which we will be showing two types of a motion, or more than two types of a motion. Sometimes, like in case of earth, we will be having more than two types of a motion. So that we will be considering. Now some object have more than one type of motion at the same time, and that only we will be discussing. Let's discuss that few objects in which we will be getting more than two types of motion. So students, we were discussing about certain examples in which we will be finding more than one type of motion. So in that we can take the case of Earth. Earth is showing revolution as well as rotation. So that is containing circular motion also as well as rotational motion also. And along with circular and rotational motion, the Earth is going to show that periodic motion also. Now how periodic motion, as I told you yesterday also, periodic motion in the way like Earth repeats its revolution after a specific time, which is 1 year. 1 year means 365 days, 1/4 days. After that, the Earth is repeating its revolution or rotation again. So, if you have been asked that some object may have more than one type of motion at the same time, or in other words, some object may have a combination of two or more, or at least two different types of motion. So this explain it with two examples. So you can take example, the first example of Earth, you can take it like Earth is showing two type of motion, circular motion also, which is rotation, rotational motion also, revolution also, as well as periodic motion also, since they repeat, the Earth repeat its revolution after 1 year. So three motion, the Earth has three types of motion at the same time: circular motion, periodic motion and rotational motion. So the first example which you can take it in this, that is the case of Earth. Then next is the case of merry-go-round. Many of you have go on a merry-go-round, that is swing, and that merry-go-round is rotating as well as moving in a circular motion only. Rotating on its fixed axis. Rotational motion when it is fixed on one place, that is rotational motion, and then showing that circular motion also. Then in the case of bicycle, what will happen in the case of a bicycle? Again, the wheel of a bicycle, if you have observed the wheel of a bicycle, that wheel of a bicycle, when it is moving on a straight road, it is revolving, rotational motion, as well as rotating on its axis, as well as moving on a straight path, that is your rectilinear motion. Okay, now the case of a ball. Again, ball is showing that rotational motion as well as moving on a straight path, that is again a rectilinear motion. So then swing machine again, that is rotational motion as well as periodic motion, since it repeats its revolution or rotation after an equal interval of time. If the hand of or that handle of swing machine is on one position, after an equal interval of time it will come to that particular position. So what do we find it out, that object in a surrounding showing more than two types of motion, or at least two types of motion. So many of time in the exam also you may have asked like write two examples in which you observe more than or at least two types of motion. So you can take all these examples. Along with that, we have many more examples where like we can take movement or motion of planet. Fine, all the planets, they are moving in a circular path. So circular motion is there, orbit is in circular shape, so they have circular motion, as well as after circular motion they have periodic motion also, since they repeat its rotation after an equal interval of time. So very important this, that is many object, not only this, again a train also, wheel is moving in a circular motion but on a straight track. So that is circular motion as well as rectilinear motion. Same in the case of a bicycle, other vehicle also. Then after this, many swings also, like if you have went to fair, you find it out that a thing, anything like swing which is uh, placed, like merry-go-round is one of an example, as well as that giant wheel is also another example. That is fixed rotation and circular motion, both type of a motion will be there. So what we understood here, like certain types of examples, you can take it out from your surrounding, that where you can observe more than two type of a motion. Fine, more than two type of motion. Like in a fair, you might have seen a person who is driving bike in a circular well, or on a circular path. That also. So spinning of a top is also a kind of a motion where we observe two type of a motion, rotating on its axis as well as moving on a straight line or moving on a straight path, that is rectilinear motion. So what we understood here related to motion we understood here, that is motion means an object when it is showing movement, then we'll say that yes, it is the object is said to be in motion. Then different types of motion. What are the different types of motion? We have translatory motion, in which translatory, curvilinear and rectilinear both will come. Circular motion, periodic motion, rotational motion. Now one of you may ask from me in the class, like, ma'am, what do we mean by non-periodic motion? If periodic motion which repeat itself after an equal interval of time, it means which does not repeat itself after an equal interval of time. It can occur anytime. For example, rain. Rain can occur at any time. That cannot be predicted. Fine. So that is an example of, that will be an example of this rotational motion only. Then what do we have, like certain questions which you can go through, like which of the following type of motion is not exhibited by the earth moving around the sun? So A, circular motion, B, rotational motion, C, rectilinear motion, and D, periodic motion. Just now I have told you that earth exhibit three types of motion, that is circular motion, rotational motion and periodic motion. Why earth exhibit three type of motion, that also I have explained. Then rectilinear motion is not exhibited by earth. Then which of the following mode of transport, okay, this I am going to take it and later, like now such kind of a question you go through it, like what is meant by circular motion, rotational motion? Give two example of circular motion and two example of rotational motion. So such kind of a question you go through it. Two examples of each will be asked. So you need to write two examples of each. Okay, so children, I hope this part of motion, like most of the things we try to complete it in this type of a motion. Like general question, what type of a motion is performed by the wheel of a bicycle? So circular motion as well as rotational motion, or circular motion, rotational motion as it is fixed on its axis, and then rectilinear motion when it is moving on a straight path. What type of motion do vehicles or a straight road perform? So that is rotational motion as well as rectilinear motion. State the type of motion exhibited by the bullet fired from a gun. The bullet fired from a gun will move in a straight path. It is rectilinear motion. A girl is sitting on a merry-go-round. What type of a motion is she having? So that is rotational motion as well as circular motion. Two type of a motion will be there. Okay. Now what next we can do? You just go through with this all type of a motion, and then in our next class we will be doing a story of a transport, as well as we are going to start with what else, that is your distances, the concept of distances and measurement, that we will start. So that's all for today, children. Have a good day.